Ever been on the receiving end of a WorldRemit transfer and weren't sure how to grab your money, or which way is best for you? Okay, let's break down how you get your cash. Starting with bank transfers. If the sender chose a bank transfer, the money goes directly into your bank account. To receive it, the sender needs to know your bank details, bank name, account number, sometimes the SWIFT or BIC code, and your name as it appears on your account is important for matching the receiver details. Check your bank account online or with your bank to confirm it landed. Next up, cash pickup. The sender may have selected to have the money sent to a pickup location, which could be a local bank branch, a money transfer agent, or a retail store. This is normally the most convenient option for many people. To collect your cash, head to the designated location. You'll need a valid form of ID, like a passport, driver's license, or national identity card. The sender will also need to provide a reference number that they provide for your order. And finally, mobile money. Some countries support mobile money transfers. If the sender chose this option, the money is deposited into your mobile money account linked to your phone number. You will often get a notification right on your phone as soon as the money arrives. So, check the WorldRemit app or website to see the status of your order, and if you're unsure which option was selected or the details they require, reach out directly to the sender. Your money is safe, and getting it is easier than you think.